Hi, I got X11 open, and I think what you want is kind of a curved bar. I think. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. What I'm going to do is go up here to Plan Defaults, or Select Objects, double click, and then I can set allowed angles to. I'm going to set them from 15 degrees. That's the default to 7.5. Half of that, and then half of that would be. I'm going to click here and 3.25, 3.25. Let's see. I'm just guessing. I've never done this before, but I put one base cabinet here. I'm going to move it out a little bit. I'm going to create another one. Now this one, I'm going to rotate it 3.5 degrees. Now you can see it got a little out of alignment. So I'm going, and by the way, automatic fillers is on. I think that's on by default. I'll move that point to right there. Copy another one over here. Same angle. I'm going to rotate it 3.25 degrees. Move it over here. And then use point to point to make these corners precisely, meet precisely. And see, she fills that in. And you might at first draw an arc to get the exact arc that you want and use that as a guide. It's not going to snap to it or do it for you, but it might help visually. I'm going to copy this one, stick it over here, rotate it 3.25 degrees. Or whatever angle increment you want to be. You can see I'm beginning to get a gradual curve. And like I say, if you worked out from the, you could import that drawing you had and draw a Catalan over it and duplicate the art. Let me, let's see, this time I'm going to copy one. And then rotate it 2 of those clicks. We get a little more pronounced curve there now. I mean, I've never done this before, so, but you see, you can play with it. I'm going to go 3 clicks this time and see what it looks like. See, the automatic fillers are pre-programmed for a particular space, and if you overdo that space, then they won't fill in, but I'm doing okay so far. Rotate this 1, 2, 3. Point to point move. See, I need more space to really, well, let's see, where's your drawing? Here it is. Well, this is probably not the scale, but you could, anyway, I don't know what these metric measurements are and so forth, but you could work all of that out and make this work. But you get the idea. Let's go back to the camera. Yeah, see, I got a curved bar. Now you can change these face items so that they're just panels, so they're not cabinets. I didn't bother with that, but you get the idea. And she fills it in pretty nicely. All you have to do is figure out the increments, put them in over here. Maybe we'll go half of 3.25 degrees. I don't know. But that's what I can tell you. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. Adios, muchachos. That's Spanish for goodbye, fellas. Konnichiwa.